Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Valorant Party Chat. So what is a Valorant Party Chat? Well, Valorant Party Chat is a way to talk with your teammates in game. First, click escape, then audio, then voice chat, and party chat must be on. And after that, click automatic. And when you're automatic, your teammates can hear you, right? For example, right now, as you can see on the left, there's an icon showing that the person in my party can hear me. When it's in push to talk, it disappears. It only works when you click the button you push the talk on. Well, I hope that's helpful. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.